What's up guys, this is Fabian and today I'm going to Torna Fort. I won't be going up to Torna Fort all the way, but it's just at the base. Decided to go out for lunch today. In fact, it's become a bit late. It's 2 o'clock. I'm already hungry. It's going to take about an hour to reach. And the roads are bad. Let's just hope we reach on time. And the highway road is over. So from here we've got to take an exit on the right. This road will take us to Torna Fort. We should be reaching that in a minute. Okay, so they've apparently blocked this diversion, which means we've got to go ahead and come take a U-turn. Okay. Yeah, as soon as you escape that small town, I can just keep smelling rice over here. Lots of rice paddies. So just when I was about to complain about the heat, the unexpected happened. It started raining, which meant I had to disconnect my mic so that the GoPro didn't get spoiled. So we reached at 3:15 and getting wet in the rain just made us feel a lot more hungry. I couldn't just wait to dig in. So guys, it was raining when we came here, so I wasn't able to show you this place well. This is where we had our lunch, Hotel Vishal. Pretty good place. So this place is known for its mutton thali, and that's what we ordered. By the way, when we came here, we were all wet and cold. After having that meal, it just made me feel warm. So after that heavy lunch, I noticed that there was a small puncture. So we decided to just stop by to take some photos and call it a day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you soon. Until then, ride safe and enjoy life.